Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making ofada sauce. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, share, and do all that beautiful stuff. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just get straight into the video. So guys, I'm going to start now to bleach my palm oil. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to bleach your palm oil, and this is all you have to do. In a clean aluminum pot, just add in your palm oil, and then you're going to cover this pot. Okay, make sure that your pot is very well covered. Then you are going to fry the oil for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the quantity of oil that you want to bleach. Make sure that the pot is well covered, and after that period you are going to off your heat and allow the oil to cool down completely. And here we have it, our bleached palm oil is ready. So I on back my heat, and then I'll be adding in my pepper mix. And in my pepper mix I have red scotch bonnet pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper, and my bawa. Okay, so you can use bell peppers if you want. I also have onions in this pepper mix, so I'm going to add it in now. And then I'll add in my iru, that's my locust beef. There is no further sauce without this iru. Okay, these are the basic things that makes up your ofada sauce: the bleached oil, the pepper mix, and the iru. So I'm just going to mix this now, and I will cover the pot and allow my pepper to fry. Okay, this took me about 10 minutes to fry. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this family. Please share this video, and also let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support me. So now that our I'll be pepper adding in my fried crayfish. You also need crayfish for your further sauce. Okay, and then I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the maggi here, the maggi star. I will add in my beef now. This is my already cooked beef. I didn't fry this meat, but you can choose to fry yours. Okay, it's optional. You can choose to fry yours, and you can also use any protein of your choice. You can use fish, you can use chicken, you can use uh, goat meat, intestines, anything. Just freestyle it if you want to. So I'm just going to stir this now, and I'll cover the pot, allow this to fry for some more. This is the most simplest sauce ever, like the most simplest stew to make, and it's so delicious guys. This is so yummy. So I tested for salt and I needed some adjustment, so I'm going to be adding in salt now. So guys, I added in my egg. I forgot to add it in, so I added it off camera. If you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have not given this video a thumbs up, and also help me to share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you shared it? And also let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And guys, here we have it. Our father sauce is ready. I'll be enjoying this with my rice. You can use brown rice and ofada rice if you have, but I just use my regular rice, and this is so yummy, so delicious. I hope you'll be trying this out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to do other beautiful stuff to this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until I come here when it's time, please stay safe. Bye.